Okay, let's look at this WASSCE NovDec 2025 core mathematics question. It says that simplify 3 log 2 plus 2 log 5 minus log 0.2, and the possible answer is A 5, B 4, C 3, D 2. Now, what is the correct answer? Let's see how we deal with it. Before that, I have written some rules of logarithm over here, which is going to help us to do this. So the first thing we need to do to make it simple for us, whenever, let me write the question, you have 3 log 2 plus 2 log 5 minus log 0.2. The first thing you need to do is to simplify in such a way that all the logs that we have will stand alone, that there will be no number attached to the log at the back here. Are you getting it? And the rule goes with it that whenever you have a log and you have a number attached to the log and another number here, it can also be written as log x b raised to the power e. Meaning that if I want to rewrite this particular log into the log standing alone, I have to make sure that I make the number attached to the log an exponent of the b over here. And that's the procedure you are going to follow to do this. So let's do that. So here become log 2 raised to the power 3 plus here become log 5 raised to the power 2. Right? Good. Then another thing, we need to simplify this thing. To simplify this, the first thing we need to do is to change it into fraction. So we are going to change this into fraction, which will become 2 over 10. Right? Good. Now these 2 over 10, we can still simplify it. So it becomes log 2 over raised to the power 3 plus log 5 raised to the power 2 minus log. Then here, 2 will go here 1 time, it will go here 5 times. So you are going to get 1 over 5. So now that we are done, we are now going to simplify. So here, log 2 raised to the power 3, we are going to get what? Log 8. Plus log 5 raised to the power 2, we are going to get what? Log 25. Right? Good. So we are done with that. Now, over here is up to us to simplify. There are different ways of doing it, but whenever you have a log where the top actually is 1, I get it, over every number, if you want to write the fraction into a whole number form, then you actually have to change the sign over there. I get it. That will go with this formula. So this one will go with this formula. If I have negative log into bracket 1 over x, and I want to write it in the horizontal form, it becomes log x. And the same way, if I have log 1 over x, if the top is 1, and the x stands for any number, whole number, then if it's positive, the log will become negative. So that is the law we are going to apply here, right? Good. So we are having here negative log into bracket 1 over 5. So if I want to rechange it, it become positive log over, 5, positive log 5. If I rechange this to this, it becomes positive log 5 according to the rule. So now that we are having this, we know in the rule of logarithm that you have log, log, log. They are all 1, right? So they are all becoming 1 over here. So whenever we have log, 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 and they are all 1, this is what you do. So whenever they are adding, we multiply the numbers attached to it, providing these ones are the same. The logs are the same. If you should have had, let me say, 2 log here, and then it's another 3 log here, it becomes very difficult. But the moment they are log, 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 they are easy to go. So you write it as 1 log, I get it, then you multiply everything, 8 times 25 times 5. We are using this rule. Log xa plus log xb is equal to log xa times b if it is positive. If it's minus, we divide. So take note of that. But because it's adding, we are adding it. So we add it this way, then we move on. Log 8 times 25 times 5 will give us 1000. Right? Good. Now that we have log 1000, there is another rule of logarithm. Now, whenever you have log, this is already in base 10, you have it in 1000, and you want to change it in index, then you ask yourself, 10 raised to the power what will give you 1000? Are you getting it? So in the rule of logarithm, whenever you have it in this particular linear, like 100, 10, 10,000, ask yourself, how will you put it in an exponent? So how you put it in an exponent of with the base being 10 will become the answer. So looking at log 1000 simply means that 10 raised to the power what will give you 1000. That is what you are going to do. Now look over here, 10 raised to the power 3, right, will give you 1000. So it's the exponents that becomes the answer for rate. So therefore, it simply means that when I multiply 10 3 times, I'm going to get 1000. So therefore, our answer for log 1000 will become what? 3. Because when I multiply this one, 10 times 10 times 10, I'm going to get what? 1000. And that will become our answer. So the final answer for this question is 3, which is C.